Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save and share place marks in Google Earth. It's really simple and easy. For this, first of all, you have to open this Google Earth application in your mobile, and then you have to open any location. And as you can see, I am here. Now you will see these options in the bottom at place mark, measure and more. You can tap on this more and add any folder here. I'm going for this place mark and then tap on this check icon. Now go back and you will see this option here, add place mark. Just simply tap on this and you can simply add your place mark anywhere you want. Let's say I am adding this here. Tap on it and you have to rename it like new one. Tap on this check icon and as you can see, it's saving and our place mark has been saved. So that's how you can add as many as you want. If I want to add another one, tap on it again, and this time we are going to add on this ancient, and then tap on this save to project, again rename it, tap on this two, tap on this check icon, and it's saving. So as you can see, there are our place marks are added. So now if you want to share them, you can tap on these three dots in the top right corner and just simply tap on the share button and you can share it. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to save and share place marks in Google Earth. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.